Welcome at CT Solutions. Rise above the flood. Unlocking unbeatable waterproofing services to safeguard your property. We reach where no one else can. We offer rope access, skyjacks and working at height services. We clean. Wet clean or dry clean. We replace. We fix. We paint. We supply our own brand high quality liquid rubber and lot of paint products. Visit our online shop. Heavy duty for commercial and industrial. Our services and products available all over South Africa, delivered to your front door. Our technicians fully trained and licensed by Skyjacks. We are part of the Waco family. We literally can take your shit away. We also supply high pressure cleaning and camera investigation services to your sewer and storm water systems. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. At CT Solutions, we are dedicated to providing the best possible solutions for your needs. Don't hesitate to give us a call right away. If budget constraints are a concern, rest assured that we have you covered. We understand that not everyone has enough funds up front, which is why we offer flexible payment options. T&Cs apply, but we strive to make it easier for you to get the assistance you need. Take the first step towards resolving your challenges and achieving your goals by calling us today at 0815984970.